Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your hotel booking on Expedia. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is a travel website where you can book flights, hotels, rental cars, and airport transfers all together. It is user-friendly, convenient, and makes it simple to compare options to find the best prices. To change your hotel booking on Expedia, start by opening the Expedia website in your computer browser. Once the site loads, make sure you are logged in to your account. If you do not already have an account, you will need to sign up and create one. After logging in, navigate to the top menu bar. Here you will see different options. From this menu, click on Trips. This will take you to your personal travel dashboard, which contains a complete list of all your past and upcoming bookings. Scroll through your trips to find the hotel booking you want to change. Click on it to open the reservation details page. Now, click on Bookings. On this page, look for the Change or Modify Booking option. By selecting this, Expedia will guide you through the available modifications you can make. By following these steps, you can successfully modify your Expedia hotel reservation to better fit your travel plans. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.